Evening all, it is 6:30 on the 27th of June 2022. There's a few things in the sky I'd like to point out today, which stand out a bleeding mile if you know what you're looking at. I'm just going to do it by spinning the camera around because my camera otherwise will start zooming in and zooming out and doing weird things. So, it is very clear and evident that HAARP is activated in the sky today. I've just been down to my local town and back, and I could literally see the edge of the band where it's firing in the sky. Now it appears to me this thing is directional. It emanates from a point, which I've pointed out many times, which is over there, and you can clearly see where it's coming from. So it comes from a point where I'm aiming, about the middle of that, and you can see the edge of it here. So look, you can see how these particles in the sky are showing up where this frequency is being beamed. It's not happening over there, it's only happening where this frequency goes. And as you can see, they've been busy chemtrailing the skies. On the slide, they've not actually been laying solid trails this afternoon. I've been watching them do it, and they appear to be spraying absolutely nothing or leaving an alleged contrail, and give it half an hour and then all of a sudden they appear in the sky. I've had Qatar Airlines go over my head very, very low this afternoon. Also seen that strange plane with the circle thing on the back of it again today. That's twice in 2 days. And as you can see, look at that opaqueness in the sky. This is why we get so excited, because this is sprayed in front of the sun very deliberately. To stop proper sunlight getting through. And as you can see, there is not proper sunlight getting through there. It's just a hazy mist, and there's one drawing a massive chemtrail through the sky as we speak today. You can see it clearly going across the sky now. Because HAARP is activated, that is showing up. Simple as that. That will form a thick cloud just like these have. Look, as you can see, fanning out rapidly. Next layer of cloud, and as you can see, the previous layer of created cloud moves with the wind. This stuff that's laid in the ionosphere doesn't move. It takes X amount of time to fall through the atmosphere until it hits a point where it hits the wind layer. Now, I don't know what you call that, the troposphere or the stratosphere, I'm not sure exactly which one. However, when it hits that layer, that's when it starts being affected by wind, which is also created, I might add, by certain beams firing things in certain directions, which is how they can make it rain exactly where they want to. These days they can hold a cloud stationary if they want to, they can blow them around. It's a fascinating subject, and the more you look, the more you see, as much as anything. We can all research and research and research, but really observation is an amazing tool for seeing what's going on. I'm going to leave it there. I've just time for me to eat, but there you go. I hope that's a fairly clear picture for you. As you can see, I'm a lot calmer than I was yesterday. It makes a hell of a difference when you get a bit of vitamin D3. When you don't get vitamin D3, it affects everybody's mood, and they're well aware of that, and there's a reason that they do it at the weekends when everyone's trying to be out enjoying themselves. Because it puts people into a low state, and if you want to disrupt the world, that's what you want to do, isn't it? Simple as that. So regardless of the poisons that are involved in it, the physical sun has a physical effect on our physical bodies. Simple as that. Peace and love.